In this video, I'll help you find the top 5 strongest tech stocks in the market as of right now. And we're going to use Tykr to save us a lot of time. And of course, if you're interested, you can join Tykr for free. All right, let's get started. Go ahead and click on assets and then stocks. And we're going to filter down this list. Right now, we have about 50,000 stocks in Tykr, and we want to find the top 5 strongest tech stocks. This will not take us too long. So here we go. Go ahead and click on personalize. We'll set this up correctly to find these stocks. And we want to turn on the right column. So I like to see the summary. That's that traffic light rating where stocks are either on sale, watch, or overpriced. That's green, gray, or red. I also like to see the score. That's the financial strength. I like to see the margin of safety. That's the upside potential. The 4M's cover the 4M's of investing. You've got the math, the meaning, the moat, and the management. The math is really that summary, score, and margin of safety. The meaning is the business model. What kind of revenue streams does it have? How many revenue streams does it have? And how scalable are those revenue streams? Then you have the moat. That's how a business compares to other businesses. Then you have the management. That's the track record of the CEO. And then the score of all scores is what we call the 7. Everything rolls up to a nice, clean score between 0 and 7. And get this, less than 1% of stocks in the market have a perfect score of 7 out of 7. In most cases, not all, but most, the returns on those stocks are very good. I also like to see the 5-year returns turned on. The reason is we like stocks that consistently beat the market, not just by 1 year, but by 5 years. We like that consistency. All right, go to range columns. I've got these set up in the order I want. I've got the company, the summary, score, margin of safety, 4M, 7 and 5-year returns. Hit apply. And here we go. Let's start applying some filters. So first off, I'm going to get rid of all the watch and overpriced stocks. So I'll click on sale. Let's watch this number change. Hit apply. Changes to 4,800 stocks. Next up, we want to make sure we filter by the industry we're looking for. Now, we're actually going to look at the sector. There are 11 sectors in the market, and technology happens to be one of them. Now, if you can't filter by sector, then you'll go to industry. Kind of think of your sector and industry as a parent-child relationship. You have your sector. Underneath your sector, you have a list of industries, and there can be about 100 industries. But anyway, we'll just use sector. Let's type in tech. Hit apply, and we're going to see that number change. There we go, 665. Still a lot of stocks to choose from. Let's keep paring this down. All right, next up, I'm based in the States, so I'm going to filter by US stocks. You can filter by your country. Do keep in mind that even though I'm filtering by US, I typically invest in global companies, even though the headquarters is here in the States. I like stocks that are in multiple countries. The reason is I like that scalability. I see a few investors out there that only want to invest in stocks from their own country, and that is very limiting. You want those highly scalable stocks that can scale outside of the country. All right, so let's go to country, go United States, hit apply, and that number changes to 150. All right, getting there. Now we really want to cut the wheat from the chaff. So what I mean by that is let's get rid of anything that could potentially lose our money. So we want to go 5 to 7, and you're going to see a correlation here in most cases, not all, but most, where a higher score on the 7 can equate to higher returns on the market. Again, not in all cases, but in most cases. All right, hit apply, and here we go. Check this out. We've got 53 stocks. We know 80% is the benchmark we're aiming for, and we can see 1,900%, 1,600%, 1,400%. And I see here we've got NVIDIA a few times. The reason is it's located in a few exchanges around the world, similar to Apple, Microsoft, Tesla, and a few other popular stocks. So let's do this. Let's go ahead, go to currency. We'll go USD. And we're going to see that 53 count change to 43. All right, getting there. And same thing, you can look at these returns. 1,200%, 700%, 535%, 528. These returns are incredible, but we still have 43 stocks and we want to pare this down a little more. So we know that 7 is the key number. So let's take that to 7 and see what list we get. Hit apply, and there you go. 5 stocks make this list. We see NVIDIA, Credo, InnoData, AppLovin, and Palo Alto Networks. Look at those returns, 1,200, 700, 500, 500, 198. Again, not in all cases, but in most cases, higher the score in the 7, higher the returns in the market, consistent returns in the market. So there you go. Those are the top 5 strongest tech stocks in the market as of right now. If you stayed to the end, thank you. Please like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Referrals from friends are one of the best ways to build a business. And of course, if you're interested, you can join Tykr for free. And please don't buy and sell stocks based solely on what you hear. Only buy and sell stocks that align with your own personal financial goals. Thanks for checking out this video. We'll see you soon. Bye for now.